Good morning, everybody. My name is Dr. Apurv Mehra, and I represent Team Conceptual Orthopedics here. We welcome all the esteemed teachers to the CO Hand and Microsurgical course, and all the delegates and the students. So, before we go ahead, we have the first thing to do is the lamp lighting, and we'll request all the teachers to please come here and do the lamp lighting, sir. We'll also request one or two students to join us. You two can come. Please come. आ जाओ, come. Dr. Harpreet sir आइए, योगेश sir आइए. We wanted two students का. आ जाओ बेटा, ऊपर आओ. Please come. Dhal sir, our students are also there. Two of the students also are there on the stage. Come, come, come. Thank you very much. So, going on to this course, I will like to pass on the mic to the seniors to brief you about what you will have in 2 days. But if you notice two things about Professor Dhal sir in this video, he's wearing the same shirt, right, as he was wearing on that day. And he made a very big statement, which was there that soon this place will become a standard for the courses and people from every part of the world will come here. So I have been watching the way sir has been working for last 6 weeks on this course, and आप सपने तो देख सकते हैं, तो कोई भी देख सकता है, कोई बहुत बड़ी बात नहीं है. यू कैन सी अ ड्रीम, बट मोर इम्पॉर्टेंटली उस सपनों के लिए ना बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, और उसके लिए आपको ना ये बोलना बहुत आसान है कि हम परफेक्शन वर्ड, प्रिसीजन वर्ड, ये सब इट्स जस्ट अबाउट अ स्मॉल थिंग. बट इफ़ पीपल नो प्रोफेसर धल सर एंड इफ़ ही नोज हाउ ही वर्क्स, उन्होंने इस कोर्स में, यू विल जस्ट रियलाइज इट ओवर टाइम दैट इस कोर्स में उन्होंने सच में अपना दिल और जान डाल दी है. दैट्स व्हाट ही हैज़ बीन डूइंग टू रिकॉर्ड स्मॉल थिंग्स. अब आप सोचिए, आपको पता है कि यहाँ आप एक वीडियो रिकॉर्ड करेंगे एट दिस प्लेस विच इज़ अराउंड 35-40 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम हिज होम. सो ही विल कम हेयर टू रिकॉर्ड अ शॉर्ट वीडियो विच यू विल सी हेयर. We have a recording audio studio upstairs. He could have recorded audios upstairs on the same day. He will not do it like that. He will first get the video corrected. Then he will write down what he will speak on that video. Then he will go to the proper audio recording studio. Then he will re-record and match it and then approve whatever you will see in 2 days on the screen here. So सपनों के लिए ये मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. So at his stature, he could have easily stood here, but he said it has to be streamlined course for everybody, and that's how the structure can be there. So anything that has a structure can only work. If there's no structure, nothing can work. So if you see world's tallest building, Burj Khalifa, which was built in 6 years, first 5 years उसको नीचे बनाया गया था, उसका बेस बनाया गया था, और 1 साल में पूरी टॉवर बन गया था. सो जो आज 2 दिन हो रहे हैं उसके लिए 6 हफ्ते से सर दिन रात मेहनत कर रहे हैं. दिस इज़ व्हाट वी नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड. एक बार सर के लिए प्लीज़ जोर से ताली बजा दो. जब ये कर रहे हैं तो आप देखिए फर्स्ट रो में वी हैव दी फैकल्टी हु आर स्पेशलाइज इन दिस. सो he made sure that he had the right kind of people to guide you through this course, and he had discussion with each one of them. एंड सर किस तरीके से सबसे रिश्ते मेंटेन करते हैं, तभी लोग फर्स्ट रो में आके साथ बैठे हैं. दिस इज द सेकंड थिंग दैट ऑल ऑफ यू नीड टू लर्न इन द यंग स्टेज एट योर करियर. इस बात के लिए एक बार जोर से ताली बजाइए. ड्यूरिंग सर विल बी इंट्रोड्यूसिंग ईच वन ऑफ देम. इट्स फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आई कैन जस्ट गिव यू अ स्मॉल एग्जाम्पल. इन द फ्रंट रो वी हैव at this center we have 4 people, and they are one of the biggest guys in orthopedics in the country. Professor Kotwal was head of AIMS, like Professor Sudhir Kumar sir was head of UCMS, and Dr. Jindal is a very big name. He hails from Pune, and we are really thankful that all of them, this is one corner. He will explain about each of them. That's sir's corner. So, but I just want to tell you one thing, that he made sure that the right kind of people are there for these 2 days. Throughout the course, you will see that their involvement is going to be more than yours. The only thing which you can do here is be attentive at every small thing. Today you will have sutures which are fine, tomorrow they are finer. And not only this, I wish that when I was a postgraduate, somebody would have taught me how to use loops, how to do these things. And sir will explain you that he's not just teaching you loops, he has further planned for the loops for you guys, right? So there is a very, very small line which fits onto Professor Dhal sir, right? That एक simple सी line है. So there are two words in this line, right? Muktasar means very small. It means a very small thing. And Tabil means very giant. It's very popular, famous, grandeur. So if you look at his name, that's just Anil. So the line for him is, Tera naam kitna hai muktasar, means your name is such a small thing. Tera zikr kitna tabil hai. So you are a man of grandeur and famous. So that's fit for Professor Dhal sir. And बोलने वाली बात होती है ये स्क्रीन. व्हेन दिस कॉम्प्लेक्स वाज बीइंग बिल्ट, मैंने सर को कॉल किया कि सर आपके हिसाब से स्क्रीन कौन सी ठीक होती है. तो सर हमेशा एक वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं, वेल. ये वेल एक वर्ड होता है, वेल. आई विल लाइक टू गो विद यू. आप कब जाएंगे? मुझे लगा ही वॉज जोकिंग बट ही वॉज सीरियस. आई थॉट ही वॉज जोकिंग, मतलब वो मजाक कर रहे हैं कि वो हमारे साथ स्क्रीन ढूंढने क्यों जाएंगे, मतलब ना. एंड देन नॉट ओनली दिस, जब स्क्रीन लगने आई, सो प्रोफेसर कुमार सर, डॉक्टर धल, दे डिसाइडेड कहाँ कहाँ पे स्क्रीन लगेंगी, किस एंगल पे लगेंगी. सेम चीज़ ऑडियो सिस्टम की आई, एंड so that's their involvement in everything that you see around, right? So this is what I seriously feel I've been blessed with, to have teachers like Professor Kumar sir, Professor Dhal sir, who are there. I think sir के साथ भी बहुत सारे लोगों ने काम किया है, वो सर डिस्क्राइब करेंगे. But one man who's been there holding the front, he was here the whole day yesterday to organize everything, is Dr. Harpreet. एक बार आ जाओ सामने. So he is the guy, he is the backbone of conceptual orthopedics, which I can say. He is somebody who's not in the front, but most of the good things in the world are built on the jobs which are thankless. So he is doing something. He is the base of what you see for next 2 days. And then we have the entire team who's been here for almost 3-4 days here from 5 a.m. who work for this place.